Before choosing an Amazon seller tool, it's worth checking the latest Helium 10 coupon code first. In this video, I'll explain what Helium 10 offers and how you can access the current deal. To activate the latest offer, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. The link in my description automatically applies the biggest discount available, so you always get the best price. You can also use code OFFERLY20 for 20% off your first 6 months, or OFFERLY10 for 10% off every month for life. 2 simple ways to save depending on whether you prefer a larger upfront discount or long-term savings. Helium 10 is a comprehensive platform built for Amazon FBA businesses. It brings together tools for Amazon product research, Amazon keyword research, listing optimization, competitor tracking, inventory management, and performance analytics. When it comes to Amazon keyword research, Helium 10 offers powerful tools like Cerebro and Magnet. These tools help sellers discover valuable search terms, improve product listings, and better understand customer search behavior. If you'd like to see these tools in action, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to access the latest Helium 10 deal. As part of this Helium 10 review, another feature worth mentioning is the platform's continued expansion into TikTok Shop and social commerce insights. Quick note, the link in the description automatically applies the best available discount for both Platinum and Diamond plans. If you're ready to try Helium 10 and claim the latest Helium 10 coupon code, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and get started today.